Hello everyone. If you want a video generator for free, you are the right video. So let's get started. Open your browser and search for Qwen 3.5. Now, click the first one. Click Try Qwen Studio. You need to sign up your account. Now, let's generate a video. I will copy and paste the prompt to generate video. Good. If you like this video generated, just click download. Let's generate another video. Okay, if you don't like this video, click regenerate. Does everything? Leave a comment, subscribe our channel, click like button, and click bell notification. See you soon.